Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by using an existing Telegram account. This is required to request API credentials. Once logged in, open My Telegram org and choose API Development Tools. That's your gateway. Make sure you have a concise app title and a short description ready because you'll enter those immediately. Also prepare the email you want associated with the app. Once done, proceed to the application form. These prerequisites speed the process and prevent delays when generating your API ID and hash. You now fill the API development form step by step. Enter the exact app title, a concise description, and pick the platform that best matches your project. Make sure any requested website or redirect URI is valid. Inaccuracies can block certain auth flows later. After submission, Telegram immediately shows your API ID and API hash. Save them securely. Once saved, you're ready to integrate clients or SDKs. If you plan server-side calls, store the hash in an environment variable rather than in code. Finish by wiring the API ID and hash into your chosen client library and performing an initial login using your phone number and the SMS or in-app code. Once authenticated, create a session file so subsequent runs don't require repeated codes. If something fails, make sure your phone number is verified and that your app fields match Telegram's requirements. Inconsistent platform or URL entries are common culprits. If you still cannot obtain credentials, retry the form carefully and then contact Telegram support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.